Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you are fine. Our lecture today is about motifs in Twelfth Night, a comedy by William Shakespeare. First of all, we need to know what are motifs. Motifs are recurring structures, contrast, or literary devices that can help to develop and inform the text's major themes. This means that motifs can be tools used in order to inform the major themes of any literary work. For example, if I want to write an essay, what do I need? I need papers and pens or pencils. So the papers and pens or pencils can be my tools, my motives that I will use in order to write my theme. In this case, the essay. In 12 Nights, there are four main motives used in order to inform the major themes in the play. We have letters, messages, and tokens, madness, disguises, and mistaken identity. For this lecture, I will explain the motive of letters, messages, and tokens. In a 12 night, we have two kinds of messages. They are either letters or tokens. So 12 Night features a great variety of messages sent from one character to another, sometimes as letters and other times in the form of tokens. However, what is the function of such messages? Such messages are used both for purposes of communication and miscommunication, sometimes deliberate, sometimes accidental. I'll begin with messages as letters. On their parts, letters are of two kinds too. They are either written or sent by individuals. In its webnet, we have many examples. The first example is Mariah's letter to Malvolio, which purports to be from Olivia, is a deliberate and successful attempt to trick the steward. This letter is an important one. It is written, it is deliberate, it is successful, and it can inform two main themes in its web. The first theme is the folly of ambition, represented by the character of Malvolio, as we've explained in the previous lecture. Because of Maria's forged letter, Malvolio thinks that Olivia is in love with him. Thereby, he makes some stupid deeds, letting everyone to believe that he is mad. His madness leads to his imprisonment, and his imprisonment can inform the other important theme in 12 Night, that is love as a cause of suffering. So, because of his love to Olivia and his fallen ambition to rise out his social status by marrying Olivia, Malvolio now is imprisoned. Another important letter is Sir Andrew's letter demanding a duel with Cesario. It can also inform the theme of love as the cause of suffering, because Sir Andrew is in love with Olivia. Olivia is not in love with him. He wants to prove his love to her by demanding a duel with Cesario, the one that Olivia is in love with. Meanwhile, this letter is meant to be seriously, but because it is so openly stupid, Sir Toby does not deliver it, rendering it extraneous. Another important written and formal letter is Malvolio's missive, sent by way of Fasti from the dark room in which he is imprisoned, ultimately works to undo the confusion caused by Maria's forged letter and to free Malvolio from his imprisonment. This letter is a reaction against Maria's forged letter. Malvolio sent this to Olivia in order to undo the confusion caused by Maria's forged letter, in order to free himself from imprisonment. However, letters are not the only kind of messages that characters employ to communicate with each other. Individuals can be employed in the place of written communication. For example, Orsino repeatedly sends Cesario to deliver messages to Olivia. The second kind of messages will be messages as tokens. Tokens are objects that can function as messages between people as well. The obvious example is Olivia's tokens and gifts to Cesario. She sends a ring to Cesario by Malvolio in order to tell him that she is in love with him, and follows the ring up with further gifts which symbolize her romantic attachment. So, a ring can function as a token that can inform one of the major themes in the play, that's love and romantic attachment. And also, it can inform love as a cause of suffering, because Olivia here is in love with Cesario, but this Cesario is indeed Viola, and Viola is in love with Orsino. In conclusion, messages can not only convey important information, but they can also create the potential for miscommunication and confusion, especially with characters like Mariah and Sir Toby manipulating the information. That was the end of our lecture today. The reference is SparkNote. Next lecture, I will continue with the other motives in 12th Night. Thank you very much for your time and good luck.